Hi, this is Igor, and today I'll tell you how I went through the crisis twice in my life in two different countries. How I survived the default currency in Russia, came to America, and got my dream job in automotive. And then I didn't want to wait to be the next person for layoff, and I tapped in the gold mine during the recession. Look, I was born in Russia, and after university I worked as a manager in one big company. When the economy in Russia went down, I started my own business. So I couldn't complain. But that time I already had two small kids, and in one day I realized there is no bright future for my kids in Russia. I wanted them to live in a civilized country and get a good education. So I decided to move to America. As a mechanical engineer, I chose Detroit as my new home. But I couldn't even dream to work at Ford, Chrysler or General Motors. At that time I had to find just any job to survive. I called so many companies, but some of them even didn't talk to me because I couldn't pronounce the position name right. Finally, one company said yes. Yes, I was extremely happy. It wasn't a well-paying job, but it was a real job and I found it myself. But I was happy just for 2 weeks, because in 2 weeks they let me go. Because I didn't understand them, and they didn't understand me. It was huge stress for me. And thanks to my family for the support they gave me. After I put myself together, I went back to school to study English. I worked at Pizza Hut, and it was difficult for me because I used to manage people, but now teenagers tell me what to do. But I knew I have to go through this to get to my dream. To make a long story short, I'll tell you that in 4 years I started combat mission for a real job. And my dream became true. I found job in one of the big three companies in Detroit. It was so great to feel myself as a part of big automotive empire. Finally, I started to make decent money. I bought my home, and I thought I'm getting close to achieve the American dream. But it was a stressful job. I literally didn't see the daylight. I was sick and tired of getting up at 5 a.m., fighting traffic every morning for many years, but the company was losing money all along, and now it's close to bankruptcy. I constantly was living in fear that I might not have a job tomorrow. I was asking myself, why all this happened to me the second time in my life? Is that what I came to this country for? Is this what people go to school and get in debt with student loans for? I knew it wasn't my fault. I need just a little advice, just a little hint how to get out of this rat race. I constantly was looking for a backup plan. And finally I came across one company which helped me to start my own business. I found an incredible opportunity for people like me with strong desire to win. Yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes dedication and money. But now I know I have the assurance that no matter what the economy does, I'll still be secure because I know how to market. And this I call the real gold mine. Look, I just want to remind you, there is no bailout for you in this situation. And you can have the same assurance in your future. You can spend more time with your family. You can do what you always wanted to do but didn't have time. If people like me can do that for their families in this country and in this situation, there is no excuse for you. Just go and check this opportunity. Read what I am talking about and save some time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and give me a call if you need more information. See you later.